Hello everyone, JT9. Let's talk about beard conditioners. 3 of them. I'm using 3 of them right now in my rotation, and I think they're all 3 are great products. They all act a little bit different in beard, but man, I recommend all 3 of them. So let's talk about them. You guys, let me set this up real quick. I go by JT9. I'm growing a beard, and along the way, I'm testing products, and then I'll tell you guys about them. So I'm in month 9, and with no trimming on length, and like I said, combs, butters, oils. Today we're going to talk about beard conditioners. I currently use 3, and I put them in a rotation, and I do that, you guys, because I feel that if you continue to use the same product day after day after day, that it just doesn't do as intended, I don't think, as if you don't do that, if you don't use it for weeks at a time. So to help with that, I rotate conditioners, and right now I'm actually rotating 3 different products. They're all 3 a little bit different. They're all 3 excellent. I recommend all of them. So I think they're all really good. And but yeah, I think they do good on doing what I want, and that's keeping my beard soft and moisturized. So you guys, let's talk about them. All right, let's start off with, first, you guys, I gotta do this only because there's guys still out there that aren't familiar, I guess, with beard products and beard care, because I met a guy not too long ago. Man, he had a bigger beard than me and was not familiar with beard conditioner, and I'm like, wow, really? And I don't think oils either, because I'm like, that itch, it drives you crazy. And he's like, yeah, man. And I said, dude, I don't have that. I've never had that with this beard. Why? Because I replenish the oils, and I use good products, and I use a beard conditioner too, and it conditions and moisturizes. You guys, educate the guys that don't know, and because there's guys out there that cut their beards off when they start itching. That's so unnecessary. All right, sorry, I had to get that out. You guys, if you're new, or if you've had a beard for a long time and you're not sure what beard conditioner is, let's just do that real quick. It's what it is. It's conditioner for your beard. So let's do beard shampoo. It's recommended once or twice a week to wash your beard with beard shampoo. You guys, more often if it's dirtier, okay? But the other days, that don't mean you only wash your beard once or twice a week. The other days of the week, you wash your beard with the beard conditioner, not the beard shampoo. So the beard conditioner, or the co-wash, co-conditioner, co-wash, that's where that comes from. So wash your beard with beard shampoo a couple times a week. The other days, co-wash it with conditioner. You guys, this is exactly how I do it. Let me just explain that, because I do them all the same. I'm not really testing these products. I'm using them because I like them so much, but I do them all the same. I wash my hair, get that over with right away when I get in the shower. I wash my beard with shampoo, beard shampoo, if it's necessary that day. If not, I grab my conditioner and I put it on, and I leave it on for the rest of the shower. And then I do the rest of my thing, and then I rinse this the very last thing. So, as long as I can get it to stay in there, that's how I do all of them. It's not, it's minutes, right? Okay. Let's go. The first one, you guys, is the Scotch Porter. And if you haven't tried it, yes, I recommend it. I think it is a great product. I've grown my beard after they've changed the formula, so I have not had the opportunity to try the original one of these, but I don't have a problem with that. I think this is a really, really good product, and I have it in my daily rotation. You guys, let me show you this one. It is a thick, I call it, it's a thick product, or a thick formula. I guess almost like toothpaste, I guess. And again, goes on. Put it in my beard, leave it in while I'm showering, you guys. It does exactly what I want it to do. It softens my beard, it moisturizes it. You can just feel it. It feels good in beard. It feels good once you rinse it out. I like it. Then my second one, that you guys, these are in no particular order. This is just how I got them lined up out here with me, okay? And so the next one is the Jay's Beard Essentials. And again, this is a conditioner that I have in my rotation, and it is different. I would say that it is more on the light side, and I guess what I mean by that is just the way that it feels, but you can also see it's not like toothpaste. It's on the thin side. Man, it smells good. Again, you guys, Jay's Beard Essentials. Let me wipe that one off my hand. So it is on the lighter side. It doesn't give like, you know, a lather like soap, but it's light in beard also. So when I put that in, I get my beard really wet, and I take that and I put it in there, and I try to get it all on the ends, and I leave it, and I shower, and I rinse. And again, it does what I want, you guys. It's good. It's smells good too. So yeah, Jay's Beard Essentials does good as a beard conditioner or co-wash also. And now, my third one, number 3, is the Beard Octane. And this is actually the neutral, so the no smell on that. But you guys, so this one is a little bit different than the other one. So I had the thick, and then I would call the Jay's Beard Essentials was the thin. And I have to say this is probably a medium. And I'm going to do the same thing, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Get that out here. There we go. It's not quite like the toothpastey feel of the first one. All right, guys, so more of a medium feel, and that's the way it feels that way in beard. I did notice with this one though, so I'll do the same thing, but man, I can get, I've actually started using less of the Octane than I did when I first started, and I started testing that, and I could back it off each day, and now I'm down to probably like bigger than a dime, but nickel size, you know. And man, it does a really good job, and I'll even get it wet again after it sits. You know, I'm doing the rest of my shower, and I'll actually get it wet and rub it again, and it's almost like it wants to lather up, and man, I don't know, it feels good. And when this is rinsed out, it feels really good too, you guys, and you know, not dry and hay feeling. Like it feels good in beard. So you guys, again, we've got Scotch Porter, Jay's Beard Essentials, and the Beard Octane. And you guys, that's what I am currently doing right now in my rotation. I use all 3, usually one right after the other. Sometimes I'll do, you know, I don't know, I'll skip it around, whatever. I'm using all 3 of them to change it up so that I can keep getting the feel that I get when I first try it out. And that's what I'm doing. You guys, thanks for sticking around with me. If you guys like what I'm doing and you are not subscribed, I ask that you do that. Everybody have a great time. Educate guys that don't know about beard products, and